Hello, doctors. Good morning. Today we will be seeing 50 golden points of PSM part 3. Focus group discussion should have how many members? 6 to 12 members. Board committee was established in the year 1943. MPW, that is multi-purpose worker, was given by which committee? Kartar Singh committee. 1 PHC is for a population of 30,000 people. International Conference at Alma Ata 1978 gave the concept of primary healthcare. This question can be vice versa too. World Health Day, that is 7th April. O in Gobi campaign of UNICEF stands for oral rehydration therapy. Diseases under international health regulations: cholera, plague and yellow fever and smallpox, wild polio, human influenza and SARS. Search for cases in epidemics done till twice the incubation period since the last case. Point source epidemic, how it occurs. Sharp rise or fall, all cases in one incubation period. Phase 1 clinical trial drugs done on healthy volunteers. Maternal mortality rate is ratio. Case fatality rate, what it means, killing power of disease. Period of infectivity of measles, 45, 4 days before and 5 days after rash. Sensitivity, it's true positives. Dysphagia, dysarthria and diplopia seen in Clostridium botulinum food poisoning. Vector of urban malaria, Anopheles stephensi. Tourniquet test of dengue is positive in more than 20 petechial spots per square inch in cubital fossa. Typhoid diagnosed in first week by blood culture. 8th day disease, tetanus neonatorum. Best marker of HIV progression, CD4 plus C8 ratio. Indicator of operational efficiency in malaria, ABER. Annual blood examination rate. Infant mortality rate. Number of infant deaths per 1000 live birth. Milk is poor in vitamin C and iron. Reference protein, egg, that is NPU is 96, net protein utilization. Niacin deficiency leads to pellagra. No plant source for which vitamin? Vitamin B12 and vitamin D. Test of pasteurization. Phosphatase test, most common, already we had seen. Coliform count and standard plate count. Horrocks apparatus, starch iodide indicator is used for chlorine demand estimation. Maximum tolerable level of nitrates in water is 50 mg per liter. Kata thermometer measures cooling power of air. Maximum allowable sweat rate 4.5 liters per 4 hours. Vitamin D resistant rickets inheritance is sex linked dominant. This you have to remember specifically. Buttonian line or blue line on gums we can see in which poisoning, that is lead poisoning or plumbism. The Factory Act and ESI Act were passed in the year 1948. Total osmolarity of WHO reduced osmolarity ORS, that is oral rehydrated solution, is 245 millimole per liter. Routine surveillance is supplemented by sentinel surveillance. Traditional lifestyles for CHD prevention comes under which level of prevention? Primordial level. DARTS plus refers to MDR TB, multi-drug resistant TB treatment. A group of health experts discuss a health topic and audience what it means. That is a panel discussion. Rome, reorientation of medical education scheme recommended by which committee? Srivastava committee. Q fever is caused by Coxiella burnetii. Midday meal program provides 1/3 calories and 1/2 proteins. Most common cause of neonatal mortality in India: low birth weight and prematurity. Carcinoma protected by OCPs, oral contraceptive pills. Ovarian CA. Exclusive breastfeeding should be done till 6 months of age. Older name of Janani Suraksha Yojana. National Maternity Benefit Scheme. Numerator of Pearl Index, number of accidental gestations. Web of causation was proposed by McMogan and Pug. Vaccine strain for swine flu vaccine in India: A7, California /2009. Thank you so much.